Imagine a young blacksmith, not just forging horseshoes, but a dream that would echo through 2 centuries of American history. In 1816, on the harsh frontier of New York, Eliphalet Remington II embarked on a journey that would birth a company synonymous with American ingenuity, conflict, and culture. This is not just the story of a company, it's the story of how one man's vision armed a nation, from its very foundations. Born in Suffield, Connecticut, in 1793, Eliphalet Remington II's early life was shaped by the rugged landscapes and burgeoning industrial spirit of early America. His father, a farmer and blacksmith, instilled in him the skills of metalworking, a trade crucial for survival and progress in the young United States. The desire for a better rifle, one more accurate and reliable than those available, sparked a revolutionary idea in his ambitious mind. By 1816, at the age of 23, young Remington had established his own forge in Island, New York. The initial focus was not on firearms, but on high-quality gun locks for local gunsmiths. He soon realized the limitations of hand-fitting parts and the demand for standardized, mass-produced components. This foresight would lay the groundwork for a manufacturing revolution. The true turning point came with the development of a revolutionary barrel-making process. Remington perfected a method for rolling rifle barrels, achieving unprecedented accuracy and consistency. This innovation allowed for the mass production of barrels that were both stronger and more precise than anything seen before, setting the stage for his first complete rifle. In 1828, Remington produced his first rifle, a highly accurate Model 1828. It quickly gained a reputation among hunters and marksmen for its superior quality and performance. This success fueled the growth of the small workshop, attracting more skilled labor and investment, solidifying the Remington name in the firearms community. The mid-19th century presented a monumental challenge and opportunity: the American Civil War. The Union Army, desperately needing reliable firearms, turned to manufacturers like Remington. The company's burgeoning production capabilities and reputation for quality made it a vital supplier, producing thousands of rifles and carbines for the Union cause. Remington's contribution to the war effort was immense. The Remington Model 1863 ZO rifle, though produced in relatively small numbers compared to other models, became an iconic symbol of the era's weaponry. Its robust design and accuracy made it a favored rifle among discerning soldiers, cementing Remington's role in national defense. Following the Civil War, Remington leveraged its wartime experience to innovate further. The company adapted its designs for civilian markets and continued to supply military forces globally. The introduction of breech-loading firearms, a significant technological leap, began to redefine personal defense and hunting. The American West, a land of opportunity and danger, became a proving ground for Remington firearms. As the frontier expanded westward in the late 19th century, settlers, lawmen, and outlaws alike relied on durable and effective firearms. Remington's rifles and revolvers became indispensable tools for survival and the establishment of order. The Remington Model 1875 Outlaw, though not as famous as some Colt revolvers, was a robust and reliable sidearm favored by some individuals in the West. Its solid frame design and .44 caliber offered considerable stopping power, making it a practical choice for those facing the harsh realities of frontier life. The turn of the 20th century saw Remington solidify its position with iconic lever-action rifles. The Remington Model 1894, a groundbreaking hammerless double-barreled shotgun, revolutionized hunting and sport shooting. Its innovative design eliminated external hammers, offering a sleeker profile and improved safety, becoming a favorite among sportsmen. World War I presented another critical moment for Remington. The company became a massive producer of military arms, including the highly successful Remington Model 1917 Enfield rifle, adopted by the U.S. Army. This rifle, based on the British pattern 1914, was produced in enormous quantities, arming American doughboys fighting on the Western Front. Beyond rifles, Remington also manufactured millions of rounds of ammunition and crucial components for other Allied forces. The sheer scale of production during World War I showcased Remington's industrial might and its indispensable role in global conflict, demonstrating its capacity to meet the demands of modern warfare. The interwar period saw Remington continue to innovate, focusing on semi-automatic technology. The Remington Model 11, introduced in 1911, was one of the earliest and most successful semi-automatic shotguns, designed by the brilliant John Browning. It offered a significant advantage in rate of fire for both military and civilian applications. The outbreak of World War II again propelled Remington into a position of critical importance. The company became a leading producer of the M1903A3 Springfield rifle, a key infantry weapon for American forces. Its reliability and accuracy were paramount in the varied theaters of operation, from the Pacific jungles to the European battlefields. Remington also played a vital role in producing the M5, M7, and M30 drilling rifles, complex combination guns used by some specialized military units, particularly for survival situations and specific combat roles. Furthermore, their ammunition production reached staggering levels, fueling the Allied war machine. In the post-war era, Remington continued to dominate the hunting and sporting arms market. The Remington Model 700, introduced in 1962, became arguably the most popular and accurate bolt-action rifle in history. Its modular design and consistent performance made it a benchmark for precision shooting and a favorite among hunters worldwide. The Remington 870, released in 1950, is another legendary firearm. This pump-action shotgun is renowned for its simplicity, durability, and reliability. It has served in countless roles, from hunting waterfowl and game birds to law enforcement and military applications, becoming one of the best-selling shotguns ever produced. Remington's influence extended beyond military and hunting markets into law enforcement. The Model 700 platform was adapted into various police sniper rifles, and the Model 870 became a standard-issue shotgun for departments across the United States, valued for its dependability in high-stress situations. Throughout the late 20th century and into the 21st, Remington continued to innovate with new designs and technologies, adapting to evolving market demands and technological advancements. They introduced modern sporting rifles and continued refining their classic lines, maintaining a presence in competitive shooting and personal defense. The company's legacy is not solely defined by its products, but by its deep integration into American culture. Remington firearms have been tools for sustenance, protection, sport, and defense, woven into the fabric of the nation's history, from the frontier to the modern era. The technological advancements pioneered by Remington, from early barrel rolling to sophisticated modern designs, have influenced firearms manufacturing worldwide. Their commitment to quality and innovation has set enduring standards in the industry. Beyond the iconic models like the Model 700 and 870, Remington has produced millions of firearms, each with its own story and impact. These arms have been present at pivotal moments in American history, reflecting the nation's journey through expansion, conflict, and peace. While recent years have presented challenges and shifts within the company, the enduring legacy of Eliphalet Remington II's initial vision remains. The name Remington is inextricably linked to American firearms history, representing over 2 centuries of craftsmanship, innovation, and adaptation. From a humble blacksmith's forge in 1816 to a global manufacturing giant, Remington's journey is a testament to American industrial spirit. Its firearms have not only shaped battlefields and hunting grounds but have also been witnesses to, and participants in, the unfolding narrative of the United States. The story of Remington is far from over. As the firearms landscape continues to evolve, the company's deep roots in American history and its long tradition of innovation suggest a future where its legacy will continue to be written. What innovations will emerge next from this storied American forge?